Hey, stock traders, Johnny Red here from Transparent Traders, and I'm going to talk to you today about how I use the tools of the TT Blackbox subscription to lock in profits on the SPY trade. So, this was a bearish swing trade alert from Thursday, and took this at the end of the day, and we'll kind of go over the alert and everything. So, let's get into it, folks. So as you can see right here, this was a SPY bearish swing trade on January 28th, which was Thursday. So I took this trade late in the afternoon, probably about 15, 20 minutes before the market closed. I shorted shares on this. And this is kind of my thought process now, how I use those tools. So I got the alert from the our algorithmic alerts in the black box section of your subscription. So if you look right here, I got this yellow line that's coming through here. That's your swing trade line. And then I have this bold pink line that is your day trade line. So if you look at this blue line on Thursday during the live stream and earlier in that morning, Wednesday it gapped down. Thursday pre-market it started gapping up, and I kind of saw it kept on growing. I'd put it out to everybody that, hey, if SPY breaks above $380.40. I'm going to take it for a bullish trade, and it did. It broke above 380.40, and I entered the trade. Now, and that was basically going off. If you looked at Wednesday in that 380.40 range, it had a hard time kind of breaking it, so I wanted to see it break that before I took it for bullish. So it went up. It broke through it, stayed up for about two 5-minute candles. Wasn't really using a stop loss, and then it broke back down. I just went ahead and cut it, took my loss. It wasn't much. It was only like, you know, $50 or something like that. I can't remember for sure. But so in the meantime, it ended up going back above it, and then it came down. As you can see in the chart, it was breaking loose, going back down, and at approximately 11:30, and I'd already traded this, so around in this period of time right in here where you see kind of going up, it alerted as a bearish swing trade. So um, at that point, I was waiting on it to break the swing trade line, which this is a breakout indicator, a custom indicator that's proprietary to transparent traders. It works off the algorithms that were created by James Mason and Transparent Traders. And so my plan was to wait on this to break. That end of the day, it was getting real close. I went ahead and set an advanced order for it to break the 377.94 range. So in that last candlestick of the end of the day, it pretty much broke through, and I got into that trade. So you can see in after hours trading, it kind of just stabilized about $1 down. So you're already in the green profit zone. Pre-market, it gapped down even more, about another $2. And if you watch, you can see that it just kind of went up, went down, went up, but it just kept on going and kept on going. I took my sell at $370.71 is what my average cover position was. So when you look at it, these tools, this breakout line that we talk about, so the alerts are providing you the direction. It's either going up or it's going down, bearish or bullish. And these breakout lines were there for you to ensure you got the best possible entry into that stock trade. So you can see I entered when it broke below it, and I wrote it down. Now, sometimes we throw out those target entries you can see on the Twitter alerts. We drop them into the private chat that you get with your TT Blackbox subscription. But as you can tell, I mean, me personally, I just throw a trailing stop on there. A lot of people put a stop loss. Most of the time my stop loss on a big board stock's going to be anywhere between $1.50 and $2. But then, like, once I see it in that, I always shoot for $1.50, $2 target mark is my first target. And once it hits that, this big board stocks, I'll put 50 cents, 75-cent trailing stop on it and just let it ride out. And that's basically what I did here. So average coverage price was $370.71. Some of the people in the group I know are still holding this. Me personally, I held it over from Thursday to Friday. I like to lock in my profits. That's one of the things we always talk about. I mean, you can't lose money taking profit, but you can lose money holding on to something too long. So yeah, it might keep on going down, but that's nothing to say that you can't re-enter it again. Um, so with that being said, as always, folks, base hits at the wallet. If you got anything you want me to go over, let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM and I'll take care of it. So let's hope for a great week next week, and let's continue to make money using these tools that were provided by the TT Blackbox subscription. Johnny Red out.